In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image a button on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and find the image that you want to work with. In my case, it's going to be this image right here. So the first thing I want you to do is to click on the image to highlight it, and then a bunch of different options are going to be presented to you. As you can see to the top hand side here, the button that you want to click on is this link button here. And then I want you to pick one of these options right here. That way, you select a destination for the button. In my case, I'm going to keep it nice and simple. I want once a person clicks on the image for it to take them to, let's say, google.com. So I'm going to do that. Going to open up a new window, and then once you're happy with everything, click on done. And now to test the button. By the way, you can make this image as big or as small as you like. It doesn't matter. So let's preview and let's see where this button takes me. So as you can see, the image is now clickable. So we're going to click on it. And as you can see, as easily as that, it has now taken me to my destination. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make an image a button on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.